Imagine an electric motorcycle that learns from your riding habits, real-time road conditions, and even weather data. AI-based ride mode adaptation is making this a reality, automatically adjusting power delivery, regenerative braking, and suspension settings for optimal performance and safety. Whether you're commuting in the city or cruising on open roads, the AI system can switch between eco, sport, or custom modes seamlessly. This technology not only enhances efficiency and battery life, but also personalizes every ride, setting a new standard for intelligent two-wheel mobility.